Ciao e benvenuti a questo nuovo video. Today we start with verbs. The verb is the most important part of a sentence because everything depends on the verb. It describes the action and all the complements depend on it. In Italian, verbs are divided into three groups. When they are in the infinitive form, they end in are, ere, or ire. These are the three groups of verbs in Italian. We have seen verbs like abitare, lavorare, and studiare. They all belong to the first group, ending in are. Verbs like leggere, to read, belong to the second group. Verbs like sentire, that means both to hear and to feel, belong to the third group. We have already seen the conjugation of verbs like abitare, but let's analyze it better. Io abito, tu abiti, egli abita. Noi abitiamo, voi abitate, essi abitano. Basically, what we do is taking the verb abitare, removing the ending in are, so that we get the root of the verb, which is abit. To that, we add the endings you see in red for the conjugation. This is the main rule for verbs that belong to the first group. In fact, if you do the same with the verb lavorare, it's the same. Take away are and you have lavor. To that, you add the endings and you get io lavoro, tu lavori, and so on. Let's try with a new verb like cantare, which means to sing. Io canto, tu canti, egli canta. Noi cantiamo, voi cantate, essi cantano. Let's see a verb from the second group, like leggere. Let's remove ere and keep the root. Io leggo, tu leggi, egli legge. Noi leggiamo, voi leggete, essi leggono. As you can notice, it's pretty much the same. The difference lies in the vowels which are used in the endings. Let's take another verb from the second group, like scrivere, which means to write. Let's take away ere and we get the root scriv. To that we add the endings. Io scrivo, tu scrivi, egli scrive. Noi scriviamo, voi scrivete, essi scrivono. Let's go on to the third group before comparing them. We have mentioned the verb sentire, that means to hear or to feel. It belongs to the third group because it ends in ire. The root is sent, and to that we add the endings of the third group. Io sento, tu senti, egli sente. Noi sentiamo, voi sentite, essi sentono. Our second example is the verb servire, to serve. Io servo, tu servi, egli serve. Noi serviamo, voi servite, essi servono. It is better to learn the endings with an example, but you can also see how much they differ and how similar they are at times by comparing them, like here. The first two singular persons are the same. The first group has an A for the third singular, while the others have an E. We have the same for the first plural person, and the second plural has ate, ete, ite, so the same vowel from the ending of the infinitive. The third plural changes again. The first group has an A, while the other two have O, like leggono, sentono. Now you are definitely ready to comment with the conjugation of one of the following verbs: amare, to love, vedere, to see, or partire, to leave. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to know when the next video comes out. Grazie per l'attenzione, al prossimo video, ciao!